So the play gym, the play kits, or both? Obviously, we're gonna say both, but I'll tell you a little bit more about why. We have built a system that is everything you need for the first year of your baby's life for their learning. So it's been very intentional. Things that you think might be repetitive is actually really integrated so that you can use the play gym with the play kit items, the play kit items with the gym, and you will discover when your baby starts to see black and white images, they are going to be so hungry for the steady diet of more and more and more complexity. So that's why we've included so many cards, for example. The play gym is like the bigger item that you have for your gross motor, for the gross motor milestones, and the play kit items are things that you can have around the house. Like the mobile is so engaging. They love looking at the slow turn and spin of the black and white spiral, or the card holder that they can lie on the side and you can take it different places and put your baby down so they can stretch out of the womb position. So these are the two guides that come with both. So this is the play gym guide and this is the play kits guide. And this gym guide comes with so many activities that have everything to do with the gym, and there's so many ways to play, so it's really, really rich and fun. And then this guide comes with just the right information that you need to know about your baby's development in a more deep way for this age band. So we can cover a lot more extra activities, we can cover a little bit more of the nuance that you, like things you might not hear about at the pediatrician's office, we're covering in this guide. And then of course it has a lot of different ways to play with the playthings. So again, if you get both, you're making an investment in your baby's learning and development for the whole first year.